inkproducts.com has now released its newest Executive Series 3 continuous ink system for the Canon MG. The new system has our new exclusive double loop hose bracket that gives positive ink feed to the printhead. Not like the old backflow dampers. You can't use them on the new models because they don't draw ink properly through them. That's why we came up with the Executive Series 3 with the double loop hose bracket. Our new continuous ink system cartridges now have the COC Smart Chip, prime tools, fill tips, interlock, printhead gaskets should you need them, our exclusive safety catch, custom hose brackets. Bring the printhead over and then remove the cartridges and then go and unplug the printer. Okay, now the first step we're going to do is release the hinges. You got to go behind it, push down, and you'll be able to release it. One on each side. So you got to use your finger to get behind it, push it down. Now I'm going to show you what I've done. I go behind it, and then I push this down. There's one on each side. And that releases the hinge. Now I'll get this up out of my way. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is rock the ink tank. It's going to take all the ink out of the isobaric chamber in the back. When shipping, ink will get in there, so we want to take it out by rocking it. Make sure you're closed off the little plugs in the top. Don't have them open. Now we're going to take it out of the packaging. I'm going to go over to this side. I've already installed the outside hose bracket. And then you're going to get a bracket that's going to go on the inside right here for the hose. You get some paper towel. I'm going to take the packaging off the cartridge. I laid them face down. We're going to take off the orange clips. Now I'm going to show you what I do here. Okay, I flipped them over, got them in. Now take your time. You've got to get them in, because if the front goes high or the front lifts up, then you're not going to click in, and it's a real nightmare to try to get the cartridges back out. So I have to get it over, make sure the front goes in first, and you can hear it click in. There, that's all clicked in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hold this hose and push it all the way over to the right. Okay, I got them all clipped in. Now in the kit, you're going to get a piece of protective. It's like a felt. It's going to go right on here. And it's going to go right on the edge. So if the hose touches, it's not going to damage the hose or cause any problem. So you're going to peel and stick it right there. Okay, I'm going to peel and stick down that hose protector and fold it under just like that. Now I'm going to hold the hose and I'm going to push it all the way under. Okay, I got it under as far as it'll go, all the way to the right. Now I'll put the hose bracket on. This little bracket's going to go on here. Okay, how to do that. Here again, you're going to have to peel and stick it so it goes just like that. This edge is going to line up with this edge right here. That edge right there. So we're going to peel and stick it. It goes up slightly, and you want that. And then you'll be able to attach the hose. I start off with getting that corner in, then I can get it in. Now it's going to have a slight bend to it, we want that because that's where the hose, it'll keep the hose from going down onto the ribbon cable. So we want that little thing. I want to make sure you got it right. That's a two-sided 3M tape. If you mess it up, you can go buy a roll of it and try it again. Now, when I was snapping down the cartridges, I broke the little post off the top of the cartridge. But chances are it'll work without it. We're going to find out. It's the first one I've ever broken. So we're going to slide it all the way over to the right, underneath. Okay, now I've got the other two hose brackets on. I already got the one on the outside I can slide in. Now I'm going to grab this with a pair of needle nose because it's hard to get it out. You don't want to pull on that ribbon cable or that cable because you could break something. So you want to get inside and pull on it until it comes out. Then we're going to push it all the way over to the left. There. That's what we call hose travel. There again, you want to go in with the needle nose, grab a hold of something, and pull it out. You don't want to pull on this cable. Take your time because you want to be able to grab that without damaging anything. Okay, now we can push it all the way over to the right again. There you go. That's what I want to see. Now, you can pull it forward and click in the little hinges. On each side, we're going to put a standoff. Now, the lid's going to come down to about here, but you need that little extra room, so we had to supply these, one on each side. Peel and stick them right there. Peel and stick one right here, and the same thing on the other side. And now I got the brackets on. Okay, now I took off the paper clip, opened up the ink shut-off. I got the standoff. I'll point this out. If you push this down with your thumb, you can close it. When you're going to open it up, it's in your way. You got to get your finger behind it on either side and just kind of push down on it a little bit. Then you can open it up all the way if you need to. I opened everything up here. You can put on a safety catch. After I balance the chamber, I want to make sure I open up the little air plugs in the back. They must be open. The only time you close them off is when you're going to fill the ink tank. Okay, now I can go plug it in and turn it on. Let me drop this. There. That's the way it should look. Now it said we shut the power off, so just hit OK, and you're back to the main screen. Now we're going to do one printhead cleaning, and then we'll do a nozzle check. Arrow down till I come to set up. Then I'm going to push the little thing to open it up. Now it's going to be maintenance. It's going to be the first one. Go OK. Now you're going to do a deep cleaning. That's going to say deep clean. Say OK. Press it again. It'll take about a minute to 2 minutes to do that deep clean. That's going to prime up the system and the printhead. Now I left it open, the lid all the way. I've got the interlock plug in because I wanted to watch it go back and forth for hose travel. Make sure I did it right. Anytime you want to close this, you just push down on that and bring that top lid down. Now it's asking me if I want to do print out a nozzle pattern. I'll say yes. Going back good, and good hose travel. And we got a good nozzle check. That's it, we're done. Now remember, push down on this and let it come forward. Now I'm back at the printer now, printing out. That's solid color there. Now, how to reset the color when it says, you wait till the X comes up, you're going to open up the lid, remove the green jumper, cartridges are going to move over, put the green plug back in, let it go back, and that color is going to be reset. You never have to take the cartridges out.